I'm on the floor again in my craft room, and I'm organizing. So much fun. Hi, it's Sharon from Sherry's Fairies, and I'm still in my craft room, and this is the bottom shelf of my craft room, and it's supposed to be for my pottery. Well, we're going to tackle that today, and I'd like to welcome all my new subscribers and give all my subscribers big hugs and a thank you. I really do appreciate you watching my videos. So, here we go. So I'm starting with emptying out the bottom of this closet, and I have my bags and stuff that I used before to sort. And now I'm putting like things together in the bags and just pulling things out and trying to get them all together in the cupboard organized. As you can see, I have lots and lots of stuff in the bottom of my cupboard, and some of it really doesn't pertain to pottery, and that's what I'm going to try and make that lower shelf is just for my pottery. That happened. Just gonna sort each basket and put like things with like things like we always do, and then I'll go back and I'll put it all organized in the bottom of the closet. And it'll be so nice to have my pottery very accessible, so I can get in there and grab some clay and start having some fun again. The reason why some of these baskets have a little bit of everything in it is because I'm usually so tired at the end of a project that it's hard for me just to put things back where they belong, or they just didn't have a home to begin with. And they all end up going into one basket. And now I have to spend the time to sort it out. So this time around, I'm hoping that I can have a system where I can put things back where they belong, even if I have to wait a couple of days to do it. I was listening to some of the YouTube channels that I listen to, probably some tiny ones, and I'm so pleased because I'm getting the closet emptied out. But that doesn't mean it's organized and ready to get put back together again, because everything I took out, now I have to organize it. Gotta love the smile on my face. I'm very happy that I've got my bottom shelf emptied out, and I have a sort of a plan to put it all back together again. Okay, so I got the bottom of the closet cleaned out, and I swept it all, gave it a good clean, And I'm hoping I can put my pottery stuff down there more organized than what it has been. And all the junk I hauled out of that bottom closet is all over the floor of my craft room. I do have some empty containers, which is good, and I do have spots for most of this stuff. Anyhow, we're just going to keep on going. So right now I'm going to sit on the floor and I'm going to try and organize my pottery stuff better than the way it has been organized. So let's gather up. See, I will use this basket, and I probably will use this basket. I know I'm going to use that basket and this bin. I'm going to get down on the floor. Oh, thank goodness I can still get down on the floor. And let's see what we can do. Well, I know what I want to put in here. So I'm going to do this basket for doilies and stuff in this. This is stuff that I make prints in my clay with, like doilies and stuff. And this is a big Easter egg, but I like the print on it, so I bought one from the dollar store. And I'm just going to lay these in here. I got doilies from the dollar store. I got doilies from my sister-in-law. And this is just part of a curtain. Anyhow, you don't need to know all this. This is stuff that I just put in prints in my clay. So we're just going to put this all in here. Nice and tidy. So if I come across more, I can set them in the basket too. I'm not going to put these in there because I use this for more than just pottery. Let's just stick them over here. And this is garbage. And I don't know what I did with my garbage bag. Okay, so that takes care of that. This is clay. It has a lid. And it all needs to be wet. So, that one in there too. Lots of my clay. Now these are things I make imprints with too, and they're cookie cutters and stuff like that. So I think put the cookie cutters and stuff in this big bin. Let's see. Don't think there's anything else in there. Oh, just a nice cookie cutters. And then I can add other stuff in there that I use. Like I have molds. That's a plate. I'm going to put that in there. Oh, and of course I've got some brushes and glazing stuff. A back scratcher. Not sure what I'm doing with those. I want that fish in here. Put in there. Oh, I want the fish in here. Yeah, fits in there. That's good. Let's turn you so you can see. Okay, I got cookie cutters in here. I'm going to open them and back them. And I got more little fish molds, little heart molds. I got biscuit cutters. They can all, oh, I got measuring spoons. This is slip, so that's part of my clay. A mask. Should do a mask video. Those are fun. This is a maple leaf. I like to make maple leaf dishes, and I found some more napkins and some more doilies. And I've obviously used these. Okay. Could probably cut this in half, but that's okay. Let's fold it down. There we go. This one has been used. It's kind of stiff. I do wash them after I've used them. I rinse them in the bucket anyhow. A couple more doilies. Oh, I got lots. Yay. I like lots because then you can make lots of design. Lots of, that would make a cute dish. Okay, that works good. And we got more. This is a skeleton. And this is a lamp. I'm not going to use this in pottery, but I might use this to do a form. So I'm going to put that with these over here. Okay, these are tools. There's a cloth. There's another brush. Oh, some cute little stamps. Always like those. And some underglaze. I think those are my box. And that's a pretty one. So this is all stuff I use. Well, I might just have to build a fairy garden in that. I think that would be kind of cute. Okay, let's throw that in that corner. That's where my fairy garden stuff is going right now. Leather gloves, an old cloth. Okay, we've got that and that. And we've got this bin empty. So that's kind of nice. Let's see what we can do. And I've got this tin empty. Let's have a look. So I still have, these are my forms that I use to make bowls and stuff. Not sure what I want to do with them. And I have lots of trays. I might. Okay, these are tools. That's a stick on that. And this plate, I guess, because I use it as probably use it to make some sort of form. I'll stick it in there. I think I just had a plant. It doesn't matter. So some of my big tools in here, maybe, like this guy and those guys. Let's spray this. Okay. Oops. And we need some of those in pottery. This. And this is a glaze brush. This is a glaze brush. That's a good brush for pottery. Okay. Don't need any of this stuff for pottery. Yeah, chippy brush might work good, but I use that in a lot of stuff. Okay. Let's see. What do we have in here? This has always had my tools for pottery. And it looks like it's got my glazes for pottery. So we'll see how that works. For the glaze, or for the undercoats. That won't take up so much room. And I can use this. think it looks pretty good. My clay is way over here in the corner. These are my tools, paints, forms, and things I use to make patterns. So I think that's pretty good for in here. I don't really want to put too much stuff in there, and then that's easier to get to. But I'd like to thank you all for watching this video, and thank Sunday Dawn for being our hostess with the mostest. And I'd like to remind you all, don't forget to watch all the other Tiny Tidiers, and the playlist will be in my comments as usual. So, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one, which is Fairy Garden Thursday. Bye!